Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen ID.3 PA GTX 77KWH. The future of driving has arrived. With only 10 kilometers on the odometer, this electric estate boasts top-of-the-line comfort, safety, and technology features. Stay connected with Bluetooth, stay safe with multiple airbags and collision avoidance systems, and enjoy the convenience of a power steering and electric folding mirrors. Not to mention the sleek styling and privacy glass that will turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.